God to know that I am able to meet there with my fellow men. Relax, wait and see, to hear the speakers of the day, the fine thoughts that I bring. I realize that I am in caring for the blind, and so that they're privileged, so let's keep them in mind. Now as we do our task, thank God, thank to it greatly, then liberty and intelligence will be our nation's safety.
Please remain standing for the prayer for the departed to be conducted by District Administrator Ira Flora, MJF.
The prayer for the departed Lions will be followed by the Philippine National Anthem and the Philippine Lions Hymn by visual presentation. Again, for the prayer for the departed, to be led by Ida Flora. Good evening. Here are our fellow Lions who have gone ahead of us. Patricio Patelier, Dasmariñas Lions Club. Leonardo Nards ng Sang, Magdalong Lions Club. Maria Dorotea Dotti ng Sang, Magdalong Lions Club. Vicente Erte Granquillo, San Pedro Lions Club. Catalina Nena Millares, San Pablo Emerald. Jerry M. Velasco, Parañaque Finest Manoa. Imelda B. Basterdo, Pacific Coast Lions Club. Erwin Mendoza, Cabuyao Lions Club. Leonardo D. Victoria, Muntinlupa Lions Club. Reynaldo Jojo Abian, General Trias Lions Club. Jose Jojo Angchan, Lipang Malalayan Lions Club. Edgar Abraham Egay Puntalan, Batangas Lions Club. Apolinario Paul Alzona, Binyan Lions Club. Eduardo Fields Lucencio, Cavite Magiting Lions Club. And past District Governor Rodolfo Rudy
and ang Ferdinand Gascon Chupa, Camarines Norte Lions Club, and ang huli po na taga Las Piñas, Lion Glory Ford. Dear God, Father, and Protector, you have provided and gave us birth. Your providence guides our lives, and by your power, we were reduced to dust. Today, we pray for all our departed fellow lions. Their lives might have changed, but did not end, as this presence will remain in our hearts and minds forever. Lord, may their souls remain happy in your kingdom with your blessings. Eternal rest grant unto them, unto their souls, and let perpetual light shine upon them. Amen. Thank you.
The Philippine Lions Team.
Thank you so much. You will now take your seats. And to the jury and to certify of the quorum, may we call Lion Eloisa Eagle Rivera and Cabinet Secretary.
Thank you so much, Doxy. As the Cabinet Secretary of District 30182, I hereby certify that there is a quorum for the final Cabinet meeting today, June 28, 2025.
Thank you so much. Absent Eloisa Rivera.
And now for the acknowledgement of Lions in attendance, we would like to request Lion Senya Ezra Singh, MJF, our Deputy Cabinet Secretary. Good afternoon to our distinguished guests, Lions dignitaries, fellow Lions, Leos, and friends. It is with great pride and heartfelt appreciation that we gather here tonight for this momentous occasion, the turnover, the recognition, and the mass charter ceremonies. As we mark a new chapter in service and leadership, let me begin by acknowledging the esteemed lions in attendance. Of course, our district governor, Leo Lion Sol Wilfredo Flores Jr., our immediate past district governor, Rodante R. Rico, together with past district governor, Wayne B. Pico. Our district governor-elect, Apolinar U. Cortez. Our first vice district governor-elect, Imelda Pichera. Our second vice district-elect, Juliet Nasita. The past district governor, Imelda C. Flores, District 301 T2. Our council chairman for Lion Year 2025-2026, again, past district governor, Imelda Flores. Past district governor, Maria Jesusa W. Aniporta, our district GNP coordinator. Our past district governor, Susan Rosana Santillana, district GNP coordinator. Lion Eloisa E. Olivera, our cabinet secretary. Lion Helen Molar, our cabinet treasurer. Lion Cecil B. Asquith, our district Leo chairperson. Lion Estrella Recto, governor advisor, Batangas Region. Lion Rosita Tomama, Maropa Region chairperson. Lion Aurora C. Renon, Batangas Region B chairperson. Lion Anastasio Catalan Jr., Laguna A Region chairperson. Wala pa siya. Nino Ambray, our Laguna B Region chairperson. And all cabinet officers, also chairs, club presidents, officers, and members. Your presence tonight is a testament to your unwavering commitment, the values of feminism, service, compassion, and unity. You are the heart of our movement, the hands that serve, and the voices that inspire. For the club in attendance, as a color club, kindly give your loudest roar to recognize.
Nakita ko sa yung picture na natin.
Also, like to acknowledge Wendell, Lion Wendell Rosito, Batangas, C. Region Chair. Okay, for the club in attendance, give your loudest roar. San Pedro Lions Club. Parañaque Finest 101 Lions Club. Cavite Asmeps 103 That's A Lions Club. St. Francis of Assisi College Lions Club. Kalamba, Kanlu Santa Cruz, Calisera, Lions Club. Ayun, nakataas na yata. Ayala, Amity, Centilla, Lions Club. General Trias, Lions Club. Philippine Art Ambassador, Lions Club. San Jose, Batangas, Bastion, 104, Lions Club. GMA, Holy Family, Lions Club. Wow, maganda yun. Batangas, Lions Club. Santa Rosa, Centilla, Lions Club. Santa Rosa, Diamonds, Lions Club. Legazpi City, Lions Club. Cavite City, Lions Club. Cabuyao City, Private School Leaders, Lions Club. San Pablo, Emerald, Lions Club. Tanawan City, Lions Club. Cavite Educators, Lions Club. Batangas City, Lions Club. Then from District 4C6, San Jose, Sampaguita, Lions Club. Okay? So meron pa bang hindi nabanggit? Cavite Grand, Lions Club. Dasmariñas, 100% Lions Club. Rosario, Batangas, Lions Club. Meron pa po ba? Calama Homes, Lions Club. Okay? Tapo? So as we move through tonight's program, may this gathering remind us not only of the legacy we uphold, but of the boundless potential we carry forward. Together as Lions, service our legacy and service for the people. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you so much, Deputy Cabinet Secretary Celia SSG MJF. And to formally welcome us to today's activity, we call our Vice Governor-elect Apolinar U. Cortez for PMJF for the welcome remarks.
Good afternoon sa inyo pong lahat. To our distinguished guest from Sol Flores, to the incoming Council Chairman of Multiple 301, Imelda Flores, to our immediate past district governor, to Dante Lipo, to the past district governor, Welly Pico, past district governor, Toby Antiporta, and to everyone sitting at the presidential table. Sa inyo pong lahat, muli po ay bumabati ng isang magandang hapon. It is my distinct pleasure to welcome you all to this significant occasion as we gather for the turnover ceremony, recognition program, and charter club presentation. Today marks a moment of transition, celebration, and new beginnings as we acknowledge outstanding achievements, bid farewell to exemplary leaders, and usher in a fresh chapter of opportunities. paved the way to continued growth and excellence, and for that, we thank you profoundly. We also take this opportunity to celebrate the individuals and teams whose exceptional contribution deserve special recognition. Your commitment, passion, and hard work are a testament to the values we uphold and the success we strive for. Finally, the presentation of the Charity Club signifies hope and progress. It symbolizes our belief in fostering new leaders, building stronger communities, and expanding the reach of our mission. Let us use this occasion to celebrate the past, embrace the present, and look forward to the future with renewed enthusiasm. Together, we will continue to make meaningful strides towards our shared goals. Once again, welcome, and let us make today truly memorable. Thank you.
Thank you, Governor-elect Paul Cortez, for your heartfelt and inspiring welcome remarks. Your words have set a warm and meaningful tone for today's celebration. We truly appreciate the enthusiasm, vision, and leadership you bring as you prepare to take on this important role. Your message reminds us of the strength and unity of Lions District 01E2, and we look forward to the exciting journey ahead under your guidance. Maraming salamat po for welcoming us with such sincerity and passion.
For the reading of the Lions Code of Ethics, we will request Tony Chair, Engineer Arsenio J. Quinto Jr., PMJF.
To our dignitaries of the presidential table and to our fellow Lions, let me read to you the Lions Code of Ethics. To show my faith in the worthiness of my vocation by industrious application, to the end that I may merit the reputation for quality of service. To seek success and to demand all fair remuneration or profit as my just due, but to accept no profit or success at the price of my own self-respect lost because of unfair advantage taken or because of questionable acts of my part. To remember that in building up my business, it is not necessary to tear down others. To be loyal to my clients or customers and true to myself. Whenever a doubt arises as to the right of ethics of my position or action towards others, to resolve such doubt against myself. To hold friendship as an end and not a means. To hold that true friendship exists not on account of the service performed by one to another, but that true friendship demands nothing but accepts service in the spirit in which it is given. Always to bear in mind my obligations as a citizen to my nation, my state, and my community, and to give them my unswerving loyalty in word, act, and deed. To give them freely of my time, labor, and means. To aid others by giving my sympathy to those in distress, my aid to the weak, and my substance to the needy. To be careful with my criticism and liberal with my praise, to build up and not destroy. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Engineer Nino, for reading the Lions Code of Ethics. This time we will proceed with the reading and approval of the third cabinet meeting. May we call on our Cabinet Secretary, Lion Eloisa S. E. Oliveira, MJF.
the presiding of our final cabinet meeting, and we now proceed with the reading and approval of the minutes of the third cabinet meeting. Copies of the minutes of the third cabinet meeting have been furnished to our district cabinet. Do I hear a motion to dispense with the reading of the minutes? Yes, Governor Paul.
I'd like to motion on the dispense of the minutes of the last meeting.
Fellow Lions, there is a motion to dispense with the reading of the minutes of the third cabinet meeting. Do I hear a second? There is a second motion by Passenger Governor GMP, District Coordinator Toby Antiporta. It has been moved and duly seconded that the minutes of the third cabinet meeting be dispensed with. Do I hear any discussion? Do I hear any objections? The motion is carried. We now proceed to the business arising from the minutes. Okay, we now dispense with this as well and proceed to our Cabinet Treasurer's report, and I now recognize Cabinet Treasurer Helen Mallar for her report. So in the same manner, fellow Lions, copies of the report of our Cabinet Treasurer have been furnished to our Cabinet, and she will just report on the summaries.
Good evening, everyone. So I report only the total beginning July 1, 2024 to May 31, 2025. For the beginning balance, we have 627,154.66. Collections, 5,656,279.11. The total cash on hand and in bank balance, 6,288,433.77. For the expenditures or expenses, a total of 5,125,153.91. So a total net or cash on hand and in bank balance, 1,158,279.86. Breakdown are as follows. We have cash and bank balance on PNB number ending 1557 of 271,242.68. Cash and bank balance on ending 7519 of 160,283.81. Petty cash fund of 5 million. We have time deposit of 580,000 pesos, which is fine for the remainder. And cash in hand, Hong Kong dollar, budget converted to peso. If converted to peso, or 80,080 Hong Kong dollar is 131,803.37. So balance of 1,158,279.86 as of May 31, 2025. That's all, Mr. Governor, so Flores.
Thank you to our Inang Yaman, Cabinet Treasurer Helen Mallar. You've heard the report, fellow Lions. Do I hear a motion to approve the report of our Cabinet Treasurer? I see Zone Chairperson Arsenio Vito. So there is a motion by Zone Chairperson Arsenio Vito to approve the report of our Cabinet Treasurer Helen Mallar. Do I hear a second motion? It has been seconded by our immediate past District Governor Dante Pico. It has been duly moved and seconded that the report of our Cabinet Treasurer Helen Mallar be approved. Do I hear any discussion? Do I hear any objection? Hearing none, the motion to approve the report is carried.
Mr. Governor, may I make a motion? Mr. Governor, South Flores, can I make a motion?
Yes.
In my final report on June 30, 2025, in case there will be an excess balance on our cash and bank, can I make a motion that a minimum of 100,000 be allocated and funded an additional to archive deposit for the elevator? That's one goal.
So as you heard it, our Cabinet Treasurer Helen M. Molar moves that any savings in the excess of this year's funds at a minimum of 100,000 pesos be relegated and allocated to our fund towards the elevator, which is under a special time deposit account. There is a motion. Do I hear a second? Our Global Extension Team Coordinator, PDG Wendy, seconds the motion. So there is a motion duly seconded to allocate savings in excess of at least 100,000 pesos towards the district elevator fund at the end of this Lion year. Is there any discussion? Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is carried. Thank you to our address, Helen. Okay. Next, I proceed to my report as District Governor. So, fellow alliances will be brief because most of our accomplishments will be properly demonstrated during our valedictory address. At the level of our district cabinet, I would like to convey my deep gratitude for everyone, for all Lions Clubs, for all Lions Clubs officers and their members, and of course you, our hardworking members of our District 30182, who ensured that Lion Year 2024-2025 will be another successful year for our district. As the business matters of our district have come to pass, we now ensure that we will have a smooth transition as we welcome Lion Year 2025-2026. Okay? So now, in finality, to conclude my district governor's report, I want to relate what is on the minutes of our third cabinet meeting, which we discussed in Palawan, that in view of the district dues having been at the rate of 500 pesos annually for 25 years now, without any adjustment to inflation, without any adjustment or increase regardless of any situation, it is now warranted that we must continue supporting our district by improving its fiscal health. Therefore, after the determination of our Cabinet Treasurer Helen, our district governor's team, and most of our district cabinet who continue to support us well into this year, there is a proposal for the following. Beginning next Lion Year, district dues will now be 300 pesos per semester, or 600 pesos annually. And then in Lion Year 2026-2027, district dues will then become 350 pesos per semester and 700 pesos annually. This represents an increase of 100 pesos per year graduated into 2 years. This is not to support this current administration. This is to support our future generation of Lion leaders. As you have seen, our expenses and operations in the district have grown. We now have our own district office, its operations across its different regions and district committees. And I may say, the support that we have given to our Global Action Team coordinators, specifically leadership, membership, extension, and service, all of this went back to our activities, to our growth, and of course, to the legacy that we leave for the future years to come. In light of the foregoing, fellow Lions, do I hear a motion to approve the proposal of our district cabinet to increase our district dues as presented? I recognize Passenger Governor Toby Acorda. So it has been moved by Passenger Governor Toby Acorda that our 25-year-long dues of 500 pesos be increased to 100 pesos to 600, increased by 100 pesos to 600 pesos next Lion Year, and 700 pesos in Lion Year 2026-2027. Do I hear a second? It has been duly seconded by Region Chairperson Aurora Tamo Rialon. It has been duly moved and seconded that our district dues begin Lion Year 2025-2026 be increased to 600 pesos per member, and Lion Year 2026-2027 be increased to 700 pesos per member. Do I hear any discussion? Hearing none, do I hear any objections? Hearing none, the motion is carried. So fellow Lions, that concludes my report as District Governor. We now proceed to other matters. Do I hear any other matters for discussion? Hearing none, I would like to conclude this cabinet meeting with a special request. A request for a motion. Because I am the presiding officer, I cannot move myself. Fellow Lions, all Lions clubs, all cabinet officers, all our past district governors, and especially our district governors team have worked hard to ensure the success of Lion Year 2024-2025. May I earnestly and humbly request a motion from the floor to pass a resolution of thanks to symbolize our gratitude to all of you who continue to empower and strengthen District 301A2. I would like to request any cabinet member, please. O yung aking mga region chair and zone chair in the audience, baka may gusto kong tumayo. Do I see anyone from the audience standing up, please? Para naman kung galing sa baba. Don't be shy. I recognize Zone Chairperson Antonio Tony Mapos. Thank you. There is a motion by Zone Chairperson Antonio Tony Mapos to pass a resolution of thanks to all Lions and Leos and all cabinet officers and past council chairman, past district governors of District 301A2. A resolution of thanks for all of them for supporting our district for Lion Year 2024-2025. Do I hear a second? I hear so many seconds to the motion. It has been duly moved and seconded. Do I hear any discussion? Do I hear any objection? Hearing none, the motion to pass a resolution of thanks to all of you for your support for Lion Year 2024-2025 is carried. So that is it for the business matters of our final cabinet meeting. Again, maraming salamat po. We will now proceed. I would like to recognize our first Vice District Governor-elect, Imelda F. Pechera, for the closing remarks.
A pleasant day to everyone. Okay na kayo? Closing remarks na to sa first part. I would like to extend our deepest gratitude to all the district officers for this Lion Year 2024-2025 who have spared their time in attending and engaging this final cabinet meeting. As we come to the end of the Lion Year 2024-2025, we want to thank you all for making your mark through your dedicated leadership in service. We thank you also, Governor-elect Lion Saul Wilfredo Flores, for all your support and commitment in serving our district as our governor for this Lion Year. However, your service does not really end on June 30 at all. I go. Since we expect you to still a part of the DG team of incoming Governor Apolinar U. Cortez as our immediate past district governor, we will definitely because we are all dealing with membership, which is comprised of a cross-section of our society, of different personalities and attitudes. Neither man or women, or perfect or complete, without the other. Therefore, we have to work together in unity of purpose, accepting each other's weaknesses, respecting and relying upon each other's strength. Most importantly, let us continue to find happiness in making our marks in the hearts of the people we serve, creating a smart legacy through service. Again, to all of you, thank you from the bottom of our heart for all the attention and engagement, not only today, but also to the entire Lion Year 2024-2025. May God bless us all in our Lionism. I love you all. This is Kathy Chera, your first Vice Governor-elect. Thank you.
Thank you, Vice Governor Melga Chera. So our final cabinet meeting has been concluded. So we will move on with the second part.
The second part,
Today's
actually the third part.
the third part of our
And this third part is to recognize the performance, the achievements of all the lions of the park. And to welcome us all, we call Region Chair Anastasio S. Catalan Jr. PMKF to welcome for the welcome remarks. Sir.
Good evening, esteemed District Governor Leo Nayon Sol Wilfredo C. Flores, 30 PMJF, past District Governors, Vice District Governors, Cabinet Officers, Chair, Pedro Nayon, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. What a wonderful sight it is to see all of you gathered here this evening, the beautiful The Mills Country Club in Cantuba. We are here today for a truly significant event in the life of our district, our recognition, turnover, and mass chartering ceremonies for Lions International District 301A2. It is a day filled with important moments, celebrating our past, embracing our future, and welcoming new members into our proud family. As we embark on this grand occasion, we are privileged